Hi and welcome to a new video. If you haven't customized anything yet in your settings, the iPhone 14 Pro will capture photos with a resolution of 12 megapixels by default, rather than 48 megapixels which the iPhone is capable of. In this video, I will show you how you can enable 48 megapixel resolution on your iPhone. Let's go. First, open the Settings on your iPhone. Then navigate to Camera and select Formats. Here, activate Apple Pro RAW and select the 48 megapixel image quality. Before you can capture images in 48 megapixels, you also need to make further configurations in the camera itself. First, set your camera to 1x zoom control. Only this lens has the capacity to capture 48 megapixel photos. Also, toggle on RAW located at the upper right corner of the camera system. Make sure that your surroundings have favorable lighting conditions. There is no doubt that Apple's Pro RAW feature can store incredibly high-quality images. But keep in mind that if you activate 48MP as your default resolution, this will take up a lot of space, and your iPhone or iCloud storage may run out much faster than you might have expected. In my case, the 48 megapixel photo I took is 68 megabytes, while the 12 megapixel image only uses roughly 2 megabytes. As you can see, there is a significant difference between each resolution's output file size. In terms of the image type, those with 12 megapixels are saved in the compressed HEIF or high-efficiency image file, whereas 48 megapixel photos are in RAW format. You can check a photo's image type anytime by simply swiping up on the file. Using my image example, I tested out the zoom quality for each type of resolution. This is the zoomed-in output set in 48 megapixels, while this is the image with 12 megapixels. As you can see, there is a noticeable difference, but notice that I have zoomed them in a lot. As I have mentioned earlier, images captured as RAW files take up quite a lot of space. The good thing is that you can compress these RAW images to the typical JPEG or HEIF format to save a ton of storage, while maintaining the same quality of the photo. If you want to know how to do this, I have another video explaining about the procedure. Just click on the tag at the top right corner or check out the link in the description below. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.